The internet is overflowing with DIY ideas, but finding the good ones, organizing them, adding images, writing instructions, making it all SEO ready, that take hours. And in 2025, you shouldn't have to spend your weekend typing when you could be creating. Why I use Autoblogging.ai for my blogs. It turns your craft ideas into a fully written, visually ready, published blog in under 3 minutes. And do you see this? I did not write a single word myself. Let me show you how I did this. Right, your dashboard, on your left panel there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because this is where we'll tell the AI exactly how a blog should sound and look. Article title, I'm entering here 10 fun DIY ideas to try this weekend. Let's say no special tool. Alright. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages, so you can share craft ideas worldwide. Next, the length, I'm going to keep it medium because it's perfect here. It gives enough space to inspire, but short enough to keep the readers moving. Here's a quick tip. Short is like a quick top 5 style list, and long is more detailed tutorials for each project. So medium. Here I'm going to pick listicle, so the blog delivers each project as a clear numbered items. Other options are informative. It explains a specific technique or method. Places is great for local craft fairs or supply stores, and service bar landing pages is perfect for promoting workshops or craft kits. So listicle. For the voice, I'm going to pick second person, so it is directly talking to the readers, but you can also choose first person if you it has a story driven project experience, like your personal story driven, and third person is more neutral and formal. So for the style, I'm going to pick conversational, so it makes it warm and friendly, but other styles are auto, where AI chooses the best fit. Less AI words feels more like human writing. Premium style 1 is SEO-optimized structure. Snippet optimizer is perfect for quick or research-friendly answers. Witty is more fun and playful tone. And professional is clean and editorial style. Here, I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article is better for keyword targeting, and FAQs will pull questions from Google that people are already searching related to our topic, and it will add in end of your blog. AI images will add visuals of each project, and infographics will add simple visuals or breakdowns of steps or material. Next, SERP analysis. This scans top ranking DIY blogs and finds its structure and content style they use, and it uses this to build our blog title. So you just have to enable this, and in the source context box you can write how you want your article to be. You can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition is proven structure from top results. External link will add links to trusted craft resources or tutorials. YouTube video will add relevant DIY videos in your blog, and key takeaways will add a quick summary at the end of your blogs, which is great for skimmers. AI proofreading, I'll just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. So this will make sure that your content flows and reads naturally. Internal linking. Now, if you already have related craft blogs like seasonal craft or upscaling ideas, then just click on this and paste your domain here. Autoblogging will automatically link relevant words in this new blog to those articles, so visitors naturally discover more of your work without you doing any manual linking. Human proofreading. Now, this is optional, but if you want a final polish from a real editor, maybe to check clarity or adjust the tone, just turn this on and leave a quick note here. Like this, you will need human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from our dashboard. Now, hit on generate article. Click on the history tab. go down and click on the view like icon here. And your weekend DIY blog is ready to post, and it was all done in under minutes. But if you want to be quicker next time, here's what you can do. Always go with quick single option. It is the fastest, and it's just as same as wizard but with fewer clicks. And if you need multiple blogs in one go, then you can also use a bulk generate option, uh, where you can generate up to 100 titles at once. And yes, you can even auto post it to WordPress directly. The truth is, content should keep up with your creativity and not slow it down. Autoblogging.ai lets you brainstorm a DIY idea in the morning and have a ready to publish article by lunch. And it's completed with SEO, visuals, and yeah, so you can spend your time making things with your hands and let AI take care of the writing. And if you're busy running your business or working on your next big project, you can try our Done For You blog service, where we'll create and optimize the entire blog for you. And if this video helped, give it a like, hit a subscribe for more AI powered blogging tips.